Everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Well, guys, Umkhokha drama series has proved to be one of the best series ever in Mzansi the past few weeks. It's about two families fighting for a church after Umvelase, the leader, died. Yesterday, social media crowned the script writer Chris Dabula as the best writer and also gave credit to all the role players for doing justice to the story. Chris Dabula is also known for his character as Dabula on Isibaya Mzansi Magic. This is what people are saying on social media. Wow, I didn't know. He deserved it. The second one said, which is the lingo he used to say on Isibaya. Chris is the script writer on Umkhokha. What a talented man he is. He deserves all the accolades. I didn't know it's him. No, we are shocked. Jahe is Sunday. Amazing script. Wow, he should stay as a script writer, not acting. So, guys, this is what people are saying on social media. Umkhokha is produced by Mandla Kanozulu. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion about this story titled Umkhokha. Bye.